This week, we're going to talk about managing rate limits. Many modern applications enforce rate limits to control how frequently clients can interact with their APIs. This ensures performance, reliability, and service availability. And Noca AI, we've adopted a similar approach, allowing you to define rate limits for your flows to avoid overwhelming external systems with too many requests, keeping your integrations running smoothly. Way to configure the rate limits. You need to head over to the left drawer menu, click on Account, and then click on Rate Limit. Now, let's talk about this screen. In this screen, you can set a default rate limit for all services or specific rate limits per individual service. So, let's talk about default for all applications. What I can do is I can come up here under the default rate limit for all applications. Let's say I set this to 20. When I click save, notice that it will set 20 also for all the services that are currently available in that table. All of them to set to 20. However, you can also set a specific rate limit per service. So the way you do this, you add new. Let's say I want to select Stripe, and you know what? I just want 10 per minute. As I click add, you can see now that Stripe has been added at 10 rates per minute, so 10 interactions per minute. So the new line will appear in the table below the default settings, showing the service name and then the custom rate limit. Services with custom limits will use that value instead of global one. All others will inherit the default settings.